when you have newborn cattle, it's really important to make sure they're not getting communicable diseases that could infect your entire herd. Today we have a 9-way shot, which is good because we're vaccinating for like blackleg and some other things which are really, really detrimental to your cattle. But also when we go to ban some of these bulls into steers, this makes that process a little bit easier, making sure they're not getting infection. So you'll get the needle, you'll get the syringe, you'll get the stuff, but we need to put all that together. And the way we do that is pull the syringe out. We've got our syringe, we pull the needle out, and that just screws into the back of it. Then we can pop the top off. Now if we just go ahead, we want to save this pink top. If we just go ahead and jam it in there and start drawing back, it's harder to do. So we want to pull it back to our dosage that we want. That's 2 cc's here. Put it in, push that air in, and then as we start to draw, we can fill our syringe. Press the air out, go again. Now this is a subcutaneous injection. I'll show you how that's working when we do it. But we fill it up to 2, pull this off, recap it, and then as we go to do all of our cows today, we have individual injections set up for each one of those. So let's get to it. We'll separate the cattle and we'll send them through the lane, then we'll load them up to the trailer.